definitely no. This is our problem in America right now, is we have elected officials coming up with items that are the wrong way of looking at things. This whole water situation is a situation that's been brewing for 35 plus years. We in California have enough water that's generated in the worst year to meet the needs and demands of all of California. And yet we have a water bond that is not even addressing how to really fix with a permanent solution what's going on with water. This is not the way to go. The way to go is let's take a look at how do we fix the situation. We have the water, how do we get it where it needs to go? There's a thing called a peripheral canal that we in 1982 as the voters did not approve. We failed, we made a mistake then. That should be part of what should be in this plan. What else should be in the plan? The creation of this Temperance Flat Dam should be in there for storage. What we need to do is figure out how do we fund such an animal? And there are ways of funding it. Right before our faces right now, we as businesses are being torn apart by over-regulation here in California. The cost of regulation in California for all of us that have businesses is $493 billion, 6 times the state budget. Let's release regulations from businesses. Let's loosen it up. Let's cut it by 50%. Let's generate $245 billion into the private sector hands. That's enough capital to generate 1.9 million jobs. It's enough capital to create up to $75 billion of taxes. Those taxes on an annual basis can heal our state economy, our county economies, and it can also pay for a $40 billion bill to build and fix this water situation. That's why we should not be supporting this proposition, because it's the wrong proposition. We have legislators who do not want to deal with what's right.